I recently delivered a 2-hour workshop called 10 Hard Questions to Ask IT. I spend half my time with data protection and cyber resilience vendors and service providers, and the other half with resilience leaders who focus on business continuity, risk management, emergency management, as well as those who also care about IT disaster recovery and cyber resilience. Sometimes those two groups aren't using the same language. They're not using the same methodologies. And part of that is because they're not thinking about problems the same way. So when I speak with those folks, I've cultivated at least 10 hard questions for them to ask their IT teams to help discover where their IT resilience strategies may need to be reconsidered. Subsets of these topics will likely be fodder for DPM customer roadshows, customer advisory boards, partner councils, interim team offsites, and SKOs. Here they are. Is your cyber resilience strategy too focused on data encryption? Yes. If we're more focused on hoodies and Bitcoin than on identity breaches and errors from agentic AI and cloud disruptions like AWS or CloudStrike events, then yes. What are our IT recovery at scale assessments? Let's talk about the testing and metrics that matter. Is our hypervisor hyperscale strategy creating risk? To Broadcom or not to Broadcom? That really is an impactful question. Are we protecting our SaaSes? If you rely on any IT resource, even a natively durable one, you have to back it up. Period. Where are third parties helping our resilience? I'm a fan of managed services. Let's talk about why. Where are third parties endangering our resilience? When you outsource, you no longer affect the tech stacks nor the human policies, but when they're down, you're down. Which disruptions are we least prepared for? That's a hard question, but I have over 500 opinions on the answer, and you might be surprised what folks are most worried about. How aligned are our teams across the org's strategies? I do not recommend a single org chart for all resilient scenarios, but that does mean you have to do more to ensure alignment for preparedness and coordination when the bad thing inevitably comes. Where is AI affecting our resilience strategies? I can make another top 10 list on those intersections of AI and cyber resilience, but you'll have to wait for DPM's AI enhanced resilience research before it comes out of embargo for that. In the meantime, I do have 4 conversation starters just on that one. Are we overconfident in our resilience? Yes, you are. And I have the data to prove it and some homework to try to rectify it. So those are my favorite top 10 for now. What other hard questions for IT do you have? Leave your thoughts below.